Hello viewers, welcome to our channel The Child. Today we are going to see another activity, interesting activity, that is we are going to walk on the line. I know everyone will have tiles at home. If not, please mark a straight line using chalk or anything. If you have a tiles at home, you can stick a sellotape like this and make the child to walk on this sellotape line. Okay, now let us show you how to walk on the line. Yes, need to walk like this. This can be given as an activity to the child so that they will concentrate and walk slowly, like heel to toe. You need to walk without holding anything. You can walk, or you can give bell, plates, tumblers filled with water. You can give them things like that. Okay, now I'm gonna turn. Yes, this will be fun to them. If they are carrying any water, they should not spill it down. And if they are holding a bell, make sure that there is no noise, that we should not hear any sound. While walking, we should not hear any sound. They should hold the bell without the sound. They should walk on this line. Now he is going to hold the bell and going to walk, and we'll see whether he is making sound or not. Like this we can hold and walk on the line, and we can give them activities like this. It will improve their concentration skill, and they will also enjoy doing this kind of activity. Yes, now I hear your bell sound. So again we will walk from the beginning. If you hear any bell sound, then we will ask the child to start from the beginning and walk without making any sound. Now he is holding a glass of water in his hand, and it should be away from our body, and keep it near to your hip. Then he will going to start walking now without spilling any water down. Let us watch. See, I have marked straight line. You can even mark any shapes like oval shape, circle shape, triangle shape, square shape, like that. You can make whatever shape you wish to, and it's according to your space availability. The child will enjoy this kind of activity. You can give multiple activities like this. Yes, even a child can hold in one hand a glass of water without this plate. Ask them to walk without spilling any water down, and the child can also hold two things in two hands and ask them to walk. And even you can give any material to keep on the child's head. Usually they will play, right? They will take something and they will place it on the head and then walk happily. So like that you can also give any materials to keep it on the head without it should not have any weight. Like this weightless material should be convenient for the child. Like this you can add on activities and make the child occupied. The child will enjoy this activity. Yes, hope you all like this video. Kindly subscribe, share, like our The Child channel.